Do HVAC technicians work in the rain? This is a fantastic question. I'm Scott Bell, coming to you live for HVAC technicians sell secrets on a perfect day to talk about sales and business, and a fantastic day to talk about you. Believe it or not, this is a frequently asked question, also known as an FAQ, about being in heating and air. And one of the most common things is, it's not like, do heating and air conditioning technicians work in the sunlight? Do they work in the snow? It's, do they work in the rain? And I'm going to give you a couple of guesses why. In a lot of instances, you're dealing with high voltage electricity. And the fear is you are going to get electrocuted. Now, I'm going to give you the direct answer. Absolutely, HVAC technicians work in the rain to an extent. Now, where I'm at is just south of Sacramento. And I can remember a time where I was about 40 miles north of here and the rain was coming down sideways. And the dude's house that I was at happened to be disabled and his system was on the roof. And so, the guy's uncomfortable. He's got some medical issues. He needed some heat. And the rain's coming down sideways right into the unit. And I'm trying to get my jacket open, trying to make sure that things don't happen. And then I go, what am I doing? This is dumb. It's a torrential downpour. I'll come back when it's safe. Like, you do have to worry about your safety. You do have to pay attention to the times that you are interacting. So, there's furnaces in attics here in Sacramento. So if the temperature is 100 degrees outside, you can reasonably take 30 degrees extra and add it. So that means that attic is probably 130 degrees. And there's times where installers are up there. There's times where technicians are up there. There's times where people are up there working on stuff. If you were like, hey, I want to be a heating air conditioning technician, you're going to be in uncomfortable situations. You're going to be underneath houses. You're going to be in attics. You're going to be on roofs. You're going to be on side yards when the weather's not perfect. I worked for a company that was up in the foothills in Sacramento towards Gold Country, and it would snow. We would go almost to South Lake Tahoe. And so you're like, hey, Scott, does it snow near South Lake Tahoe? Duh! They got some of the best skiing in the world. So do HVAC technicians work in the rain? Abso-freaking-lutely. Now here's the thing. If you want to be better at sales, you want to be good at what you do, you should absolutely join my email publication, hvactechsecrets.com. I'll give you the goods. Not in the Facebook group, not in the YouTube channel, which means private coaching, private training, discounted coaching, discounted training. It's an email publication, and you get emails from me, okay? So if you're like, Scott, I don't want to work outside. I don't want to be uncomfortable. I'm going to tell you, heating and air is not for you. If you're like, hey, Scott, I really like to be outside. I really like the weather. I just came back from Boston, and it rained in Boston the entire time that I was there. I have been on ride-alongs in the snow. I've been on ride-alongs in blizzards. I have been in ride-alongs in tropical storms in Florida. You are going, wherever you live, whatever happens during the outside, during the winter, the spring, the summer, and the fall is what you're going to have to live up to. And if you decide to move, to a place like Arizona or Vegas where it's hot, be aware that whatever the temperature is outside, that's what you're going to deal with. Hey, Scott, it's negative 20 below. Yeah, you're going to deal with that. Hey, Scott, it's 130. Yep, you're going to deal with that. If you're trying to get away from it, hey, there is an option for you. It's to take a desk job. There is an option for you. It's to not ever, ever, ever get into the trades. Yeah, hey, Scott, I don't like it being tight spaces. You're going to hate heating and air. Hey, Scott, I don't like to climb on ladders. You're going to hate heating and air. Hey, Scott, I don't want to climb underneath a building. You're going to hate heating and air. I highly encourage you, hey, if you're thinking about it and you're considering, go do some ride-alongs. Go call a company and say, hey, I'm thinking about getting in this industry. Can I come ride with you guys for a few days to see if it's going to work for me? You will know by lunch. You're going to know by 3 calls, maybe by the end of the day, this is something I'm interested in or something I'm not. I'm not trying to talk you out of it. I just would rather be real. You got 1 of 3 things to do from here. Just 1 of 3. Find the subscribe button, click on it, and every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, you know what you got to do. Share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.